This is an example of a value mixture problem. You will find a copy of this problem on the note sheet that accompanies this video. Please follow along as I read the problem. Scott's Family Grass Seed sells for $2.65 per pound, and Scott's Spot Filler Grass Seed sells for $2.30 per pound. How many pounds of each should be mixed to get a 10-pound mixture that sells for $2.40 per pound? So let's start by organizing the information in a table. We have the type of seed, the number of pounds, the cost per pound, and the cost of seed. So we have family seed and spot filler seed, and then the mixture. Reading through the problem again, we can see that the family grass seed sells for $2.65 per pound. So under cost, we'll put $2.65 for family, and then $2.30 per pound for the spot filler. How many pounds of each should be mixed to get a 10-pound mixture that sells for $2.40 per pound? So the mixture costs $2.40 per pound, and we also know that we have 10 pounds of the mixture. Well, we don't know how many pounds we have of the two different kinds of seed. Let's take an example. Let's pretend that we know that we have 6 pounds of family grass seed. Then how many pounds of the spot filler grass seed would we have? If you said 4, you would be correct. To get the 4, you should have taken the total amount, which is the 10, and subtracted the number of pounds of family grass seed, which was 6. That will give you 4. But what if you don't know how many pounds of family grass seed you have? Let's let that be X. Then how many pounds of spot filler grass seed would we have? Well, we would still find that the same way. We would take the total number of pounds of the mixture and subtract the number of pounds for the family grass seed. So we have X and 10 minus X. We have one more column to fill in, and that's the cost of the seed. If we take the cost per pound and we multiply the number of pounds, we will have the cost of the seed. So for the family grass seed, we would have $2.65 for each pound. For spot filler grass seed, we would have $2.30 times 10 minus X. And the same for the mixture, $2.40 times 10 pounds. So now we need to translate to an equation. If we take the cost of the family grass seed and add it to the cost of the spot filler grass seed, we should get the total cost of the mixture. So the cost for the family grass seed is 2.65x. Add the cost of the spot filler grass seed, 2.30 times 10 minus x. That should equal the cost of the mixture, which is $2.40 times 10. So in working this out, we can distribute the 2.30 on the left side, and we can also multiply the $2.40 by 10. So that gives us 2.65x plus 23 minus 2.3x is equal to 24. In the next step, we can combine the like terms. 2.65x minus 2.3x would be 0.35x plus 23 is equal to 24. We can subtract 23 on both sides. So 0.35x is equal to 1. divide both sides by 0.35, and this is not going to work out evenly. X is approximately equal to 2.9 when you round to the nearest tenth. Now X represents the number of pounds of the family grass seed, so the label would be pounds. And then I'm also going to write family in here so we know which type of grass seed we're talking about. We also need to find the amount of spot filler grass seed, so we need to take 10 and subtract X, which we found to be 2.9, and that gives us 7.1 pounds, and that would be for the spot filler grass seed. So 2.9 pounds of family grass seed and 7.1 pounds of the spot filler grass seed.